Hello everybody, this is a quick recap of what we did in class today. So, the date and day and period might be different, but the lesson is the same, regardless of which class you were in. So today we looked at the second half of the lesson called The Road to Success, which was number 1.23. The first half was the Obama speech that we looked at in Nearpod. So you'll see that there's a PDN for you to respond to. And then the main content for today's lesson is an essay called The Right to Fail by an author named William Zinsser. So what we did in class was to first listen to the audio of this text while following along in a document, and then to respond to questions in the group document, and then to independently update your brainstorming document. So to find this assignment, you would go into your classwork tab, and it is under 123, Part 2. So you will see here that there is a doc that has your class period. When you open that up, you will be able to see all of the comments that other people in your class period have made. So to listen to the audio, there is a link here that will take you to the YouTube. And that is set up like all the other videos for this class, where you have the text on the screen, the Spanish subtitles, and then the audio that you can hear of the person reading it from our textbook. So you can either listen to it that way, or you can just read the text of the article, whichever works for you. If you need Spanish translation, as you can see here, that is on page 3. So if you scroll down below the English copy, there is a fully translated article, directions, and questions. Okay, so once you have read it, your next task is to respond thoroughly to 3 of the questions that I put over here in the margin. So when you click on a question, it will show you which line it's referring to. So this first one is referring to the line that says, "For the young, dropping out is often a way of dropping in." And my question is, what do you think this means? So if you're interested in answering that as one of your 3 questions, you would scroll down to the bottom of the responses where there is a reply box. And then you would type your answer and click reply. And then it will pop up that at 2:09 today, I said this. That is what I'm going to use to grade for classwork. You're expected to give 3 thorough answers to the questions on the side. There are 10 total questions, which means you can pick the 3 that you have the most thoughts about, are the most interested in, etc. If you choose one of these questions that asks you to explain your answer, that says why, or that says explain your answer, make sure that you are doing that part. If you simply type, "I agree," you are not going to get full points for answering that question. The one other thing you'll see along the side are that I have defined some of these bold-faced words. Those are defined in the margins in our textbook, but those comments don't copy over when I put it in a Google Doc. So I only defined the ones that I thought were essential to you understanding what is going on. So think mavericks, dissenters, eminent, right? If you click on those words, you will see my definitions come up on the side. So again, you are choosing only 3 questions over here. If you do more and your answers are thorough and good, I will give you bonus points. 3 is the minimum. Once you have done that, you can mark it done or turn it in Classroom so that it takes it off your to-do list. And then you are going to open up your argument essay brainstorming. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Find the line with The Right to Fail by William Zinsser, and you will complete that row with a quote from today's article and then your explanation. That is the last text in our textbook before we start to look at writing the argument essay. Once you've done that, you are good for the day.